guys, it's April 29th, 2020. So here I got a call from a good customer of mine. I guess her sink drain is leaking all over the place. From what she says, it's loose under there. And I know this lady well. I worked for many years, and she said, I asked her, you know, kind of screened to see if she was sick or anybody in the house is sick, and she said no, they're fine. So me and Miss Molly are gonna go over there and go put on our mask and go in, take a dive, see if we can fix it for her. She says she's gonna wear a mask and stay away from me, so hopefully she ain't got no cooties. Oh, I hope she ain't got no cooties. I hope she ain't got no cooties, Molly. Shit, no, we don't want no cooties. Oh, we don't want any. The old bat flu. From what they're saying, it's not as bad as everybody predicted. I mean, it's just like the regular flu. The people that are dying, the percentage of people that are dying is like the regular flu. So I need to get out and about and do my thing. Yo, corona, mama. The old bad flu. Hey, do you have the bad flu? Do you? Anyway, guys, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. She's gonna leave me alone, she said, so. She said the drain underneath is all loose, so whatever that means. The pot in the back, she says, is all loose, so. Her grandson shut off the water, or she said they had a big flood over there. We'll have to see. We'll figure it out. We'll get it figured out. Essential worker, Molly. I'm an essential worker. Oh yeah, I'm a big wheel, no spokes. I'm a big wheel with no spokes.
Turn left on Rockdale Avenue.
Yeah, I am, Mama. He has a big wheel with no spokes. Oh man, wow. That's way in the back. That's leaking way back there? Excuse me? It's leaking where the towel is?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah, you can see it broke off. Yeah, I guess I can fix that. Getting in there is gonna be a bitch. Wow. Yeah, the nipple broke right off. I don't know if I can even get in here. It's right where the nipple is. I gotta take that shelf out so I can even get in there. I'm gonna have to get in there and make a couple of cuts. And I'll show you when I get in there what I'm gonna do. I had to get a piece about 10 inches long, I guess, a piece of PVC. I don't know if you guys can hear. It's flipping tight in here, that's all I can say. I'm gonna make a cut here on the copper. Put the piece in here. Try to get you guys. Hopefully I can make a cut here. We'll have to see. cut it a little straighter than that. Only just a little. Just a little. That's brass. I'm going to cut a little bit of that off too, a little bit of cut there. Maybe. Broke right off at the nipple. I don't know if I can even reach in here. I'm like a flipping snake. What a bitch. What a flippin' bitch, Mama. I can see that's brass. Alright. It's kind of like in here in the under the cabinets here. Not the greatest. I want to make it a little bit shorter because it's gonna have to have the gaskets in there, right? Something like that. Alright, that's good. See, I got a little play. That's what we want. That's what's going in there. I probably could change the whole thing, but I'm just going to put a couple. I'm just trying to get out of here. Get this thing fixed. I got 2 clamps. I got a regular 1.5 by 1.5, ideal, no hub, and I got a 1.5 IPS by 1.5 clapper. It's a mission clamp. Sticker on this side. Sorry for the light, but that's the best I can do. That's the best I'm going to be able to do. I might be able to roll it. Rolling on the river. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling on the river. The midst of the corona, the bad flu. That's the 2-band ideal clamp. No hub, they call that. This one's the mission clamp, which you can see it's different pipe diameters. I think this is a 150, which is 1.5 IPS, which is copper, or copper. No, IPS is iron pipe size, which is cast iron by copper. See the difference in size? And that should take care of it. If it wasn't so tight in here, I would probably just change this copper piece, but for now, I'm not worrying about it. I just want to get it so it works. This is what they call a repair. This is what they call a repair. A repair job. Patch and match, mama. Give it the old scab treatment. Can barely fit in here. Alright. Now I could have replaced it all the way to here, but it's just don't need of it right now. Seeing where it is, and it's not easy to get to and all that shit. That was the easiest way. We're gonna leave it. That's what broke right there, right at the thread. That was the thread. I had to take that shelf out to get in there. See how tight it is in there. Oh shit, mama. Well, that should take care of it for now. I'm gonna put this shelf back. Well, hello there, Mrs. Molly. Oh, well, hello there, Mrs. Molly. Hello there. What is that? You want pets? Yeah, I know you want pets. You love pets. You love pets. Yeah, you do. You're getting the Grinch feet. You're getting the Grinch feet. I can see them. They're coming in. Oh, Grinch feet are coming in there, Molly. And the Grinch feet. Yeah, you are. I can see it. Look at them Grinch feet. Man, they're a cutie pie. And you're a cutie pie. All right, push over.